guys, welcome. I got a new camera, and honestly, I'm excited to see how this is gonna look. I think I also need to speak up because the camera never catches my voice in any of the cameras and anything. I'm outside right now because there's street cleaning happening. They're passing me right now as we speak. Oof, good timing. I didn't have to wait that long, actually. I thought I was gonna have to wait a long time. But anyway, yeah, I have been experiencing burnout recently, and oh damn, they're catching. There's a truck that's getting a ticket now. Anyway, what was I gonna say? Oh, I've been experiencing burnout recently, and I need to get back into it. So I want to do some more gardening, some more hobbies, things I enjoy, So you're gonna see me gardening in this video. Some self-care stuff, journaling, meditating, yoga, stuff like that is what I usually do to try to get out of a burnout. But yeah, let's do that together. It's a journey for sure, trying to get out of a burnout, exhaustion, just like not being bored of everyday life. Let me drink some coffee. I think it's important to really give yourself some time and benefit of the doubt, because it is really hard. It's hard just living every day to day, trying to get out of that paycheck to paycheck life and getting stuff together, trying to do things that you enjoy, chasing your dreams, meanwhile trying to pay the bills, But it's okay. We got this. It all starts by taking care of ourselves, so let's get into it, doing things we love, doing things that we want to do. Just if you feel like you need someone to do it, watch this YouTube video, watch other YouTube videos. Like, that's what I love doing. It's like if I'm gardening or if I'm doing some hobby, I love watching stuff. So it gives me, like, my ADHD brain something. Like, the thing where you have to work together with another person, gives me that satisfaction. Anyway, thanks for watching in advance. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. You're the only dog that doesn't want to go outside. You're so cute. Whoa. You're so cute too. Look at me. Oh. Alright. Alright, little sausage. Let's go. Alright, as one of the anti-burnout activities, we're gonna go to the dog park. Also, just like look at the sun, look at her. And Lucky's ready. And it's really cold outside, so we got her a little puffer jacket. I love how she's like a model. She knows she's posing. Alright, let's go to the dog park. Bye. You're so cute.
Oh my goodness.
No way. That's so funny.
Go, Lucky, yeah.
Alright. Well, we just finished dog park and Choco was loved by everyone, and I think Lucky influenced everyone at the dog park, because before, when we first started going to the dog park, I feel like everything's gonna be When we first started going to the dog park, no one was fetching, and all of a sudden there's dogs fetching football, balls, random things, but Lucky is only determined by the frisbee. She's tired out now, so hopefully she sleeps, and Choco's already tired. Alright, we're gonna go to Marshall's.
Yeah.
Anywhere. We're gonna get our nails done because mine's like disgusting now, so we're gonna get that fixed, and then go to Marshall's because we need work shoes. Okay, guys, we just stopped by for some snacks. This and this. Some Celsius to wake us up before getting our nails done. We found a place that's only 4 minutes away from our house, so yeah, we're gonna go see if they take walk-ins. I really hope they do, because if they don't, it'd be unfortunate, because I can't go to work like this. No one's gonna, maybe they'll tip me more. Maybe they're like, oh, you need your nails done, girl, here's more tip. But we'll see. Alright guys, back from the nail place. She was so quick and efficient. It's only 6:22, so it took her, I mean, I guess it's normal time, 30 minutes. But this is what the nails look like after. Very natural, very, very cute, very ladylike. Well, now I'm back to natural nails. Alright, and we're gonna go to Marshall's now. Find black shoe. Yes, we gotta go to USPS. Honestly, USPS might be already closed. I'm gonna look it up, and then we're gonna see. Alright, we're leaving now. Going home, finally. Alright, we're back from Marshall's. Let me do a little haul for work. Little cute thing. Not for me. Pet wipes, $3.99, woman owned. Little cute thing. This is for my dog. Look here, right on time, right here. Give me a second. Book bag. Oh my god, little tea stuff. This is really cute. Alright. This top, so cute for the summer. This top. Polka dot, and then it all got tangled up, but these are 2 tank tops. 전 삼겹살, 쌈장, lettuce, and 밥. So I'm gonna use sugar. Yes, I can. Let's see how it turned out. I'm gonna choose. I need a lime cutter. Just the peel. This is too small, but well, that's it. She's in there. Alright, I'm steaming. Oh my god, steaming. I did it again. Steaming chicken. For Miss Kitty, it's her birthday. There's 1 minute left. We have this pink birthday cake candle for her, and I'm gonna fill the chicken stuff in here in this muffin pan and just flip it over, and it should be a cake shape. And we're gonna celebrate her birthday. It's already packed. it's hot. Ooh. I'm gonna add this turmeric sauce. Alright, it's done. Okay, welcome back. I need some time away from my dogs for a second. They're like, I have a border collie and she's like huffing and puffing and I'm like stressed out from work. So basically, yeah, today's the last day of trying to get out of a burnout together. One last thing with dealing with burnout, like we did so far, like going, running errands, making little things for your pets, doing different things. But self-care is just as important, and I need to get my makeup off, and I'm gonna do a face mask. They always make me feel better, you know. So let's get into it. Oh my god, I forgot I ran out of my face wash. I don't know what happened to my gua sha either. After this, I'm gonna do some deep breathing exercises. Right now, I'm listening to some calming yoga. No, not calming yoga, calming Snoopy Cafe. I got like a scratch on my ear and it's hurting so bad. Ow. While I'm washing my face, I like to just massage it, drain my lymphatic drainage, whatever, you know what it's called. Also, it's already 8:23, so I'm just gonna brush my teeth too right now. Usually I snack at night a lot, so I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna try to brush my teeth so I avoid that. I have this Korean mask. Oh, it was upside down. It's called Mugong Lifting Wrapping Mask. Collagen wrapping mask. It's from Medipil. I like this mask because it kind of just like sticks and hardens on your face. So if you want to do like yoga or do something else while you have a face mask on, I feel like it's a really good option. My brother actually gave this to me. Shout out. And I want to get more like peel off masks now. It hydrates my face so well. And I love the texture. Well, kind of feels weird, but it's really cold on my face, so it's good. See how shiny it is? Crazy. Alright, I found this grounding meditation, 10-minute guided meditation, so I'm gonna do the grounding thing. Let's get into it. Do a meditation with me, guys.
Letting your awareness travel inwards, tuning into your breath and body. Any bodies of water. Just take in the scenery as you feel yourself fully supported by the earth beneath you and the grandfather tree at your back. Let yourself relax into an appreciation that you did not need to know exactly what grandfather tree meant in order to feel the energy of it. And as you relax into that, you feel a deeper connection between you and the natural world around you. Letting that feeling of connection between you and nature
just finished my guided meditation. You guys should have too. And this is starting to harden already, but I'm gonna floss my teeth, and let me put you guys on. Let me tell you guys, flossing your teeth is so important. Literally, I floss my teeth day and night, every single day. That's how you make sure there's no plaque. And honestly, I slacked for like 2 months while I was like going through it, and that's when I got plaque in my teeth. I never had it before that, so best believe I'm back to it. I'm flossing my teeth every day. You guys need to start with me. Day one today. And you know how expensive dentist bills are? If you don't want to be paying for that bill, better start taking care. I've been loving this thing. I never knew it existed before. It's like rubber over here, and you just like stick it. And I have permanent braces up here, so it helps a lot. Your gums will bleed. I'm telling you right now, if you've never flossed before, it'll bleed, but the more you floss, the less it will happen. And now mine doesn't really bleed at all. Alright, I'm gonna wipe my teeth. Also, I've had this since like high school, so she's old. Hopefully it still works. I still use it. I'm almost out, and then I'm gonna need to get a new one. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna rest now, watch some YouTube or a movie. I don't know what yet, but yeah. Make sure you take care of yourself. Don't burn out. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.